got the 41 Swiss long barrel, 41 Swiss Vetterli, funky looking steampunk like rifle. It's like if a 76 Winchester and a bolt action had a child. Gonna do a splash test first. I got a milk jug, evil old milk jug, set up about 20 yards down range. It's not far, but I'm mostly just playing today. The cartridge, finally got this figured out where they'll load alright. I'm still working out the cycling problem. The bolt wants to catch right here. I don't want to go further back to lift the lifter. But firing it single shot, I don't really have an issue with that right now. So anyway, the cartridge. This is a 42 caliber flat round nose 310 grain bullet over 45 grains of Graf's 3F black powder. Let me get my earplugs in. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see with these safety glasses on. It's super like jungle muggy today. I killed it. I killed the heck out of it. Oh. The smell of black powder on a muggy morning. Smell of freedom. Well, I guess technically in this case the smell of neutrality. So, my next thing is I got a 4x4 post set up. We're gonna try and see how it penetrates. That's not good. I'm going to have to punch it out. The cartridge went off. But, didn't set the powder off. Gonna try that again. Guess I forgot to set powder in that one. Can't tell if I hit it or not. It's fine though, there's absolutely no recoil to this rifle. Well, let's go down here and look and see what happened. Like I said, killed the heck out of this milk jug. I did hit it. There's ants all over this, but I hit it. The 4x4. And it did go through. So that was about 25 yards. And they say on Wikipedia that this rifle is barely adequate for deer at close range. I gotta disagree with that. Regular old army girl out. Well, I decided I'm going to do one more penetration test. I've got 2 4x4 posts set up. I don't know if I hit that or not. Wasn't too dramatic. I'm gonna put one more in it. Up kinda high there. Well, I know I hit it that time. I see the hole. Let's go see what we done. Okay, that's where it hit on the first board. Wow, it took a big chunk out. Now went in right here. You see there's debris all around it. Oh wow, it come out. I think it come out the back too. Nope. It's stuck in there somewheres. But hey, that's not bad. You see I was tumbling. By that point, there's a piece of lead stuck in the side. 41 Swiss Vetterli, loaded with black powder. It's no joke. Regular old army girl out.